Hi, go ahead at your geometry notes packet. Today we are going to talk about a new angle relationship, which is the vertical angles. So vertical angles, when two lines cross, the opposite angles are equal. So let's draw two lines that cross. The opposite angles are equal. So let me get different colors. So if we have A and B here, these angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B. These are vertical angles because they are opposite of one another. And then these angles, we'll call this one C and this one D, they are also opposite of each other, which means they are equal. So angle C, is equal to angle D. So let's do one example. We have x, which is our unknown. Well, if we know the angle opposite of x is 100, then we know that x equals 100. They are equal. Do another example. We have 65 is the measure of this angle, and the angle down here is 9x plus 20. Well, they are vertical angles and because they are opposite when two lines cross. So we know that this angle is equal to this angle. And so we can set up an equation. So 9x plus 20, which is this angle, equals this angle, which is equal to 65. Then we just have to use our Algebra 1 skills of solving equations and solve for x. So we need to get rid of this plus 20 because we're trying to get x all by itself. So to undo plus 20, we subtract 20. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. Those cancel out, and we're left with 9x on the left side, which equals 65 minus 20 on the right side, which is 45. We solve for x by dividing both sides by 9. And we are left with x equals 45 divided by 9, which is 5. So x is equal to 5. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at your assignment on vertical angles. So take out your geometry workbook and open up to the vertical angles assignment. Okay, so for number 1, we need to find the measure of B, and these are vertical angles. So we know if this angle is 66, then this angle B is also 66. And that's a messy 66. That one is also 66 degrees. Go ahead and turn to 15. This one, there's a little bit more solving. So again, vertical angles, which means these angles, 2x is equal to this angle, which is 40. So we can set up an equation, 2x equals 40. We have to solve for x, which means we simply divide both sides by 2 to get x all by itself. And so x equals 40 divided by 2, which is 20. Okay, you should be ready to go ahead and complete your assignment.